Hey guys, it's Pepper.
And Summer, and today we're reviewing these toys.
What is the name of those?
They're called
Animoodles.
Yeah, Animoodles.
Animoodles.
I have the cat and she has the dog.
And they came from Amazon.
They're
Just
little.
rip it. Oh.
Mine says Kylie cat, which is probably Parker dog.
So they have a little tag on
It's
them.
perfect because her favorite animal and her favorite ice cream.
They're magnet, but they have still the tags on them.
Wait, what? You just ripped the arm off?
No, this is what they're meant for.
No, you just ripped the arm and the leg off.
Mom, you bought them for me.
Dude, why'd you rip the arm and the leg off?
No.
These are broken.
Summer, that's what they're meant for.
No.
Have you,
These are broken, Mom.
Summer, have you seen the cover?
Read it.
Magnet.
Mix and match magnet plushies.
Oh, Mom, we're gonna think I'm done.
So, you're supposed to take the arms and legs off, and what else? The head?
I didn't know you could do that. Can you take the nose off?
Imagine you give the little kid and they lost the body parts.
So switch some parts out. Let's see how this works.
Oh, you have to cut.
There's tags on them.
Oh, go get the scissors and cut those off.
I have your
Pepper's
head.
right, it like magnets to the scissors.
It's hard to cut because of that. Like, how are you supposed to cut it?
Let's switch heads.
Can you take the tags off the head?
So weird.
What do you think kids would like those?
I think they'd be like, Mom, I ripped the head off.
No, if you gave this to like a little kid, they would lose the parts
Yeah,
and
they
then
would
it'd just be like missing an arm. They'd be like, oh, I lost it. It's okay.
I know, right?
Yeah, I would.
Okay.
So get all those parts off. Fee.
The scissors, look.
I have like barely any of mine off. She has so many.
Hold yours up and she
All
can
mine
cut
are
it.
off.
Okay,
I can
take
do
every
it
part of yours
myself.
off and the tag. You get the tag off too?
Oh no, give me the tag. Give me. Just get the tag off. Oh wait, first I rip it.
Goodness.
Oh, can you cut this? Sorry. Cut it. It's like stretchy.
Where did that go? Like, fling, bye-bye.
Dun, dun,
It's so hard because it sticks to the.
dun, dun.
You have a pile of.
So you put all of
Max is
Pepper's
gonna
parts
come down
on your
and be
body.
traumatized.
On my body. So this.
Yeah, I guess.
This is so weird. After she cuts it off, I will.
Does it matter if you switch the arms and the legs, or are they the same?
I think it matters because it like, for example, the magnet's on the specific side.
No, but put the leg and the arm holes on the same side of the body.
Whoa.
These are cute.
Or the arms and
They
legs.
only stick to one. They don't stick to everything.
Okay, switch all your pieces.
Arms and legs and head.
Arms. Here's your arms.
Here's your head. Here's your legs.
Our dog is right there. She's gonna be traumatized. Yeah. It's her paw, yeah.
Oops.
Meow, 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 meow.
So what do we think about these things? Are
Yeah,
they...
I want to have one normal one.
No.
Well, I have to say you've played with them longer than I thought you would. I just imagine if you had 10 and you could switch all the pieces. What other ones are there? Does it say in that little book?
I know there's a unicorn, because
Whoa. So all of
there's
them.
so many.
Ready? Orangutan, sloth, unicorn, panda,
Frog.
and then cat and dog.
There's a frog, sweetie bee, elephant,
Oh, there's a
lion.
collector's thing.
Oh,
Jeez, there's a lot.
there's so many. There's dragons. There is foxes.
Deer.
There's deer. There's owls, and we got the two cat and dog.
Does it say what the purpose of taking all the pieces off is?
You can make fun combos. Thousands of combos possible.
Just making combos.
Oh, the story of Animoodles. Long ago, a
Caterpillar.
super volcano named Mountain Moody had to sneeze and erupted. This transformed all animals into Animoodles, and with swappable magnetic parts.
Oh.
So mystic.
I have an idea if I have luck. It's like, welcome to the doctor. How can I help you? No, but you pretend like you're the doctor. Doctor, I need help.
Oh, what happened?
My paws hurt. Can you get me a new one? Ripped it off.
You ready?
Ah, good.
Surgery.
Thank you. You can have my broken one. Pepper, why is it magnetic on its back?
It is?
That's a magnetic.
Does the tails come off?
What?
No, the tails don't come off?
No.
Wait, what? What the heck? It's gonna have legs on its own. Or
It's like, don't mess with me. I've got eyes in the back of my head.
wait, Summer.
Wait, who has the tail?
Wait, that's actually a good idea.
How everybody
looks like
draws it.
normal.
How everybody draws
Oh, yeah.
animals these days.
Wait, it actually looks normal that way.
Yeah. Wait, Summer.
Okay, can I have my cat back?
Yeah. Can I have my dog back?
Yes. I'm doing that.
This is it. We should play like a game that's like a doctor. It's like, doctor, Oops.
These are actually
It's like-
cool.
Summer, it's like,
I wouldn't get them for super little kids though, because I'd
Yeah.
probably lose all the parts and then just have like a missing.
Summer, we should play like, doctor, I have an arm growing in my back.
It's like, my foot's coming out of my chest, doctor. I need a surgery. Ah, much better.
Wait, consider.
What if you went to sleep with it and you cuddled with it and you woke up and the arms are on the
What
ground?
if you're like, and then you wake up and you're like,
Okay, do your thanks for watching.
thanks
Thanks
for
for
watching.